where Ghanaian chocolate beet. Where Ghanaian buffalo fine chocolate fine yogurt beet. Where CHOCO-MILO beet. CHOCO-MILO beet. Inti mpese munya CHOCO-MILO beet we ya munkoso her. Hello Valettes, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie, and if you're new, you are most welcome. So today's video is going to be very different, as you guys can already tell by the title. So I just thought this video would be fun to make, and it would just be a different thing on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch to tree. Oh, by the way guys, I'm not like Michino, and yet Michino, it's okay. Michino a minimum. My tree is not like very good, so yeah. Kwa ba mi din de Valarie. Se mon pese mon hun monsieur de sia me ye look we ya mon koso he. Abe me eyebrows. Someone said me dia mini eyebrows. Here ni ho. Me brush it. Someone say I brush eyebrows no. Na me de pencil. I am me mix it tum no any brown pencil no. First me the brown pencil no me ye outline. Hey. Ofa o natural eyebrow shape no. Men draw it too much. Me the black ne ye outline keke. My outline na my ye ewa hano. Hey, this one maybe. Okay, now me the brown no akko inside. I feel it. Once it looky funny, it looky but Syria ni nya perfect. I brush ni nya fra waka boom, black and brown waka boom. Brush ni say na okay boom. I have a brush any hanum. I am be more omo jibe omo ye any not to block na say square be, but pesa also brushing it out. Obasa okay more natural, even though I'm not really natural. I also brush it in no. But we try in there yet. Yeah, we in a square and I say block. You see when you. Because I am my eyebrow now. It take a while to do my eyebrows and see. My eyebrow and my side baby. Why? The metal so I am my eyeshadow. Me blend it concealer no. I send you a concealer with tree. Concealer. It's a concealer. A kata nyama. Me kata a tum na e wo many around no. Me kata so ninya. See, for me eyeshadow menya bibia a gongon. Maybe be simple, just you know, nice and simple. A baby simple. Hey, it's me. Okay. It's me. You see Morphe 3502 palette. I think may brown and gold BB may you see a dark brown way and a orange colorway. May mix me the boom. Nam the my me crease. Once a many hanum no. I say invalid. One crease. Once a hanum no. My name is my friend no. Once I when him, I say hanum ukata when ya say line be or hanum no. Na me de color no. Me de color no. Sheho once a hanum no. See I say o valley when you valley no. Now de I blend it or fe. See me mix it brown no and a sour orange color no. Na me de I share mini valley no. No, I blend in the blend you. So I'm blending here. A looky, a change look no. I mean, maybe I'll open a side, but I am blending here. DP on my account. I'm blending in here. I'm blending across the kakra. My other side now. Yeah, baby, simple. Yeah, you know, too much. Yeah, baby, just nice and simple. Like 2-step makeup. Yeah, call you baby. You need time for 3-hour makeup. Okay, may you see a lighter concealer. I think may you see a colorway from NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette. My accent came back. Me de 200 eyelid no so. Hanum or eyelid no. Me de 2 eyelid no so. It will need me fan quick straight. Just this section. On this section. Wow. But to walk a cry. No abuboso. Abuboso kama. Until started ewe wonim hanom na ako halfway. I hope some hundia mayo. I don't meaning they say I'm explaining a crab, but hey, I don't know many. I saw catty crease no. I'm afraid a cut crease, but with you're cutting a small ultra crease no. Ultra crease no halfway. And you must say idea. Oh, what's my casa say idea no. And your hair. Timidity colorway. La papa so say. Papa bought baby out there. Yellow concealer no. Tinam de burgundy color no. It better anu haya. Oh, hanuma na ma blend it. Afra other colors no. I anu haya. I'm fan coat inside. The better anu haya na blend in the camera. Timaba starting my name. You see a baby. Try. Hey. Hey. What's that? Okay. So spray no on myself and then and you see a spray way for oil control. You see my foundation. We have Mary Kay foundation in bronze 8. Here 2 months and a chocolate into. We have for chocolate skin. 2 you see color ever fatal. Media chocolate all day. I say me too. Taffy they may blended foundation now. This is divine chocolate. We are authentic. Won't say you can buy it no. We are authentic 100% chocolate. The after they be concealing highlights it. The lights beba yenim kakra wo ho. Ooh, okay. Until me you see same palette no, but this time me you see yellow no, cause yellow no ain't looking nice. But my may I say purple baby sir. Till me the colorway ever bo many ase. Once a hanum no. Nbe bo ho cause mbe say ho na e en looky bright. So I say light be shine wo ho. Once a menim song until I me highlight here, me trim back from kakra, but trim back from me trinko say ya menim be to me trim back from into me trim a concealer no. About I'm the bias that me herne so. Oh yeah, 1910 or herne so. I'm the dia kind of best that me mama so. Once I made me mama so to me spread in a sa me the be hand muki to a be. You see baby when mama bear say kanya bear say lights touch lights now I'm hot pin into the kit will be small touch light not big or mama kitwa maybe I wait me you see big touch lights but or kesia you see small lights one small highlight men quiet the baby and so ba be room so ye and so the lights near ba ho ntafe dem the sapon way say a beauty sponge into be sapon ahon fe sapon me dey ahon fe sapon me de boboso na makani nya afra. Once with your old blended handum na men fans and sra baby hey treating bro. O de be mia inside handum o trim ba ha what say asem no o trim ba ha onim ni nya be light no bio nti o be na handum kwa fa bobo handum kwa section we ya men trim Inti na me boboso concealer way thick inti ne blended adding kakra so blending adding inti me brush the blending change na and me mama so me the color tuntum ne ba be ye a contour kenti me the color way ye hanom ase mafuno asie no mafuno anda no wafuno no I me mu yese no me afa ho ti won se mafuno nie nti me de ye mafuno anda na me de aye me mama so sides no hono di bi ba ye ho kakra me de a powder ba ba hihye me ni ase mo me bi aye ye concealer nti afi de ye ba ba tutu ba be bake ye ba ba noa me ni ne se ka bake o twi mo ti maka se ye tutu ye ni ase tutu ni ase kama Mineralize nema me maso tutu ni kama How do we even, what is eyelash tree? Is it like a need tete? I don't know, I think I've heard a need tete. I don't know if that's eyelash. Let me know what eyelash and eyebrow is in tree because I don't know those at all. Me de pencil to my no kakra. Brown pencil. Now I fit me the lip gloss aye a fin no. They inside middle on the lip gloss no I in fin no that's a powder no up a pack of cream for any taffy the highlight ebabe a mafuno so and emerhene my why shine my gone my looky shine wow. Maybe I sit down here so I said button. Somehow when I said button. Last step me de me powder. Normal powder me de me de set many. I blend the BB together. I blend the highlighter and kakra. Set me the baby hano. Dusting it off. Dust off. Hey! Review before I go no page subscribe why so who say subscribe button no me aso de ding for say me aso na subscribe why na support unia ba na ye ninya ye movie along in life why Ghana for mo subscribe why inti ano no me da was send them ka me ho ma me ye me makeup nim say meeting pa na enyama ni bi means me nka watwe mo nti mo fan che me why mo fan che me but me hope you say mo enjoy video video ne mo enjoy and okay and me da was pass our hair into some person me other videos e wo twin mo ma me hu yeah comment below na mo ma me hu some of other videos in tree. This was fun to do, honestly. Okay, I lost it. Okay, no more tree because I'm like just messing up, butchering the language. But anyways, this was very fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There were times where I just blanked out and it was hard to talk and do my makeup, let alone like, you know, speak tree and do my makeup. I never thought it was low-key like kind of hard because I don't know, it was low-key kind of hard because I don't have like the best tree vocab, but this was definitely fun to do. So thank you all for watching. God bless you. Nyami Sharmo. It's TWI. Bye bye, loves.